So the second part of ecological dynamics is obviously dynamics, which comes from dynamic systems theory. This quote by Heraclitus, no man enters the same river twice, for it's not the same river and he's not the same person. So humans are complex systems, and environment is complex systems. And by nature, they are always changing, right? Environment is going to be never the same from one moment to the next. And as humans acting in the environment, right, we have the ability to influence it. And also, as we move, what we perceive changes. In complex dynamic systems, we talk about behaviors emerging out of self-organization under constraints. And we're going to start to talk about what self-organization means. When we talk about self-organization, one of the most common misconception is that the self in self-organization refers to the brain, right? The cognitive self, as in the part of us that can think. But in reality, that's not what it means when they talk about self-organization. That word self, quote unquote, doesn't mean the brain and the thinking self, but really it's referring to the entire system, right? So including the perceptual system, including the motor systems, including the cognitive and emotional systems, all of that, along with the environment, we consider that whole thing as a system, and each component within that system is going to interact locally and going to kind of spit out a behavior at the end. So this is where we start to differentiate between complex systems emerging behavior versus central executive, as in one component of that system ordering the rest of the system to behave in a certain way.